Naghahanap ka ba ng mga modern houses dito sa Bulacan na along Main Avenue dito sa Marilao? Perfect itong Amaresa Marilao along Villarica Road, Barangay Loma de Gato, Marilao, Bulacan. Kung saan isang sakay lang papuntang Quezon City, Caloocan at Valenzuela. 100% non-flooded area dahil boundary lang tayo ng San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. At napakalapit pa sa mga major establishment like school, church, hospital, banks, supermarkets. Ngayon ay open na ang Phase 3 for sale. Officially open na po ito for reservation. We offer 4 modern house and lot here in Amaresa for starting family or sa mga malalaking pamilya. First modern house and lot is our Kyla Prime single attached unit with lot area of 89 square meters and floor area of 94 square meters with 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, spacious balcony, and with covered carport. Our next modern house and lot is our Aria Prime unit. This is a single attached unit with floor area of 99 square meters and lot area of 89 square meters. It has family area with 3 bedrooms sa second floor and with spacious balcony and covered carport. Our next modern house and lot is our bestseller Amara Expanded with lot area of 110 square meters and floor area of 147 square meters with 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath with spacious balcony and with spacious attic. It has also covered carport. Next is our biggest unit here in Amaresa, our Alexandria single detached unit with floor area of 174 square meters and lot area of 159 square meters with 5 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath with covered carport, spacious balcony, and spacious attic. Our attic is considered as third floor, kaya pwede mo rin po itong gawing bedroom. Our amenity area. For more details, please contact us now and own your dream home now here in Amaresa, Marilao. See you!